Missing your live as well as always. I am so sorry I've come live after a very long time. And thank you so much for 34,000 people are watching. And oh my god, what is happening? Like, seriously, you guys love me. Missing your live. Yeah, exactly, I've come. We'll come to see you on Family West. And you have to bring the, you know, who I'm talking about right now. So, I'm really excited to meet her. Like that. Oh my god. Oh, you are so love, Babu. Love you too, Angel. Hey, love. How are you? I'm awesome. I'm superb. I'm good. Awesome. Everybody should be good. Love from Maharashtra. Love from my love from my house. Right now I'm like in my home, all comfortable. You are cute. Thank you. You are cute too. What is this uncomfortable mood? I don't know. Like I started my live twice and then I sort of got off somehow. I don't know how, but that happened and I was like, oh god. So that's why I'm a little uncomfortable. I wasn't even ready. Like I started it and I wasn't sitting and I wasn't, you know, I was in a space. I was drinking water and I was like, oh, ye kya ho raha hai? So that's why I'm uncomfortable. So I'm all sort comfortable. Where are you? मैं घर पे हूँ यार. मैं कहाँ हूँ ना इस टाइम तो मैं कहीं बाहर नहीं जाऊँगी. अभी तो घर पे हूँ. So you are so cute. I love you. Thank you so much. Love you too. Love from Pakistan. Love from India. Abu, can you please say hi, Aman? Hi, Aman. Is it Aman or is it like Aman? Because you've put double A, so I want to be sure about that. Yeah. Okay. Take your time. Been a while, I get it. Yeah. Been a while. Definitely. Drinking water. अरे हाँ मैं पानी पी रही थी. Actually not पानी. I was having juice. So I sort of I was like in the middle of it. So got really uncomfortable. Can we like stop talking about that and move on to something now? I'm feeling so weird. Please say hi, Mishika. Hi, Mishika. कैसे हो आप? आफ्ताब भाई से कब मिल रहे हो? मैं बहुत जल्द मिलना चाहूँगी. प्लीज टेक माई नेम. यू सो अडोरेबल. हाय सौम्या, कैसे हो आप? क्या हालचाल है? अच्छा आप लोग अब बताओ. मैं तो अपने बारे में बहुत चप्पड़ करती हूँ. मैं एकदम से आ गई हूँ लाइव इतने टाइम बाद एंड आई फील आई एम यू नो क्रिएटिंग अ सीन हियर. So tell me about you. How are you guys? What's happening? What's new? जूस में कुछ मिला था यार. बस करो यार. बस ये काम रह गया ना लाइफ में करने के लिए. अब और कुछ तो है नहीं ना. So no, it's not that. I was just drinking juice. That's it. Please take my name, Rafia. Hi Rafia, कैसे हैं आप? I'm in love with your earrings. Thank you. These are generally I have worn them for the first time now, and I was like, "Arey yaar, oh, sorry, that's some decorative thing." So, I have worn these for the first time. मतलब कितने टाइम से I was actually thinking कि मैं पहनूंगी, and आज मैंने ये green outfit पहना है. So I was like, yeah, finally green. It will match and all. So I thought, yeah, I'll wear this. We will miss you in Aladdin. Arey, you have no clue how much I will miss Aladdin and everybody. I've been seeing so many posts. I actually wanted to talk about it. I've been seeing so many posts of you guys. जब आप बोल रहे हो कि we will miss you या ये वो जो भी है मैं सब देख रही हूँ. And guys, I will miss Aladdin even more because I've worked on this show since such a long time. And it's difficult obviously for me as well, but definitely I will Siddharth and I will work together. We will definitely work together, and many more projects are coming. This is what I can like promise you right now. Many more projects are coming in the future, so that's it. Be excited for it. I am very excited for it. So this, and also please I love you all so much यार. Just try to be positive as much as you can, everybody. Try not to spread any negativity around. Try to be happy. Try to try to give positive vibes to people. You don't know what people are going through in life, so you don't want to be a person who would let them down in any way. So just be a good person and try to be positive, because these are like such rough and such tough times for everybody right now. तो इतना ही बस बोलना चाहूँगी कि बस खुश रहें सब लोग और खुशी जितना हो सके स्प्रेड करें. Sorry, I was just in my zone. I forgot. I'll just beautiful girl, cutest. Farhina, I miss you so much. You have no clue. Like I really want to meet you. We will meet. ये लॉकडाउन के बाद तुझे मिलना है, ठीक है? Working from home these days, missing traveling to Himalayas. That's about me. I can completely relate to that. I mean, like we all are missing work, and this quarantine has taught us so many things right now. कि मतलब कि you know life can change any moment. You don't know what is gonna happen. So I think being happy in what you have, being full is like very important, and this is what quarantine is teaching us. So I hope that everybody gets back to work soon. All this mess clears up very soon, because we are all so sad and we are all so tired of it. And yeah, so I can completely relate with you in that. Clumsy Avneet is a mood. Clumsy Avneet is definitely a mood, Amay. I love you, beautiful. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This is what I was promoting just a while back. That's my brother. No, it is for face. Dare you not to put on your hair.
Smoothing क्या?
It's for teenage acne issue.
Smoothing तो बात होते हैं.
अच्छा तुझे लॉरियल देख के वो ही लगा ना? Oh, I just you do this. You did this.
कब मेरे?
अरे यार. वो है बैठी साथी. Why are you leaving the show? अरे यार बस अभी can we talk about something else? Let's talk about something else, please. As it is, I am very, Hi Pal, कैसे हो? How is life? How are you doing? Bollywood debut. Oof. Gets me goosebumps every time somebody asks me this. Definitely that's my dream. So waiting for the very best opportunity to come on its way, and let me just grab it. Let's just see. I'm working it out. So I hope कि कुछ अच्छा बड़ा है, फिर मैं आप लोगों को एक बड़ी सी न्यूज़ खुशखबरी दूँगी. दी आप कैसे हो? मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ, तुम बताओ कैसे हो? Hi, beautiful girl. Thank you. All right. So if somebody wants to like join in my live or something, I am all set. I'm all ready for that. Please go ahead and send in your request so I can accept them. Stay safe. We love you. Thank you so much. Stay safe. एक काम करती हूँ मैं ना. Let me first pin down some questions, because I've been getting like a lot of questions here. Okay, Amruta here is wanting me to take her name desperately. So Amruta, I'm here only. I'm listening to you. Hi, how are you? Good talk. Stay well. Talk soon. Yeah, definitely, Amay. So I was like, boss, ये क्या है? अरे यार, can you guys like stop saying that यार? Come on यार. Please. अवनीत जय के साथ चैलेंज वाले वीडियो बनाओ यूट्यूब के लिए. जय ही इज प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम. मेरी बात नहीं सुनता. कोई नहीं, बनाएंगे. वी विल मेक सून. Somebody wants us to make YouTube video challenges and all that. Why did you do that? Oh, actually you can do that. It looks very nice. The lights of the background. But it is not giving focus on my face. Can you switch that back? Switch it back off. Thanks. राघव इज सेइंग कैन यू सिंग यारी. श्योर आई कैन सिंग यारी, बट मेरा अभी थोड़ा गला इतना अमेजिंग नहीं है, तो रहने दो. हमें टाटा टाटा बाय बाय. अबू, डू यू नो अबाउट हैप्पी 19th बर्थडे अवनीत? हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? अरे मैं बाप रे, मैं आई एम टर्निंग 19, मैं 19 होने वाली हूँ. गॉड, that makes me so nervous right now. Oh my god. Yeah, so yeah, I'm very excited about that. I'm lying, I'm not excited about that at all. But I'm excited about the page that you made. मैंने देखा वो पेज बहुत अच्छा है, and I've liked a few posts also. So thank you so much, sweetheart. I love it. Love you. God bless you. मेरा भाई बीच में आता रहेगा, वो सब करेगा काम, मुझे पता है. ओके, व्हाट्स माई नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट? ठीक है, अभी तो फ़िलहाल मैं बिल्कुल अपना ध्यान रख रही हूँ, घर पे हूँ और खुश हूँ. और मैं थोड़ा अपना क्वारंटीन को देख रही हूँ. आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग थिंग्स राइट नाउ, सो आई एम नॉट रियली डूइंग एनीथिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. आई एम नॉट होल्डिंग, आई एम नॉट getting into any major stuff. I would say I am chilling as of now. मतलब हमेशा के लिए नहीं, I will take up something. So जैसे भी कुछ भी होता है, you guys know I always share the news with you all, especially पहले Instagram पे. So I will तो definitely do that. Okay. What is the secret of your beauty? Please advise us. I would say आप पानी पीजिए जितना हो सके. मेरी मम्मा पापा भी मुझे बताते हैं, like I don't drink a lot of water, which is a very bad thing, but I have started drinking a lot of water. Try to wash your face. Try your कि आपकी skin ज़्यादा oily ना रहे, because that would cause acne. And third is eat healthy, man. That is the key. Like उससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ अब मैं. अच्छा खाओगे वो अच्छा दिखेगा फेस पे. So yeah, these are the 3 things. बाकी I think I can even make a YouTube video about this. Thanks for the idea. Also, if you haven't watched my YouTube video, please YouTube पे जाके देखिए. It's I'm telling about my 4 favorite books, and I think you all should go and watch it. It's on my YouTube channel. Anju, yeah. I'm not even speaking about this. Let this just be a code word only now. Shush. I would be representing Nepali fans. Please accept my request. Oh, okay. 1 second. That is amazing. Like I've seen a lot of fan pages नेपाल से जो मेरे fan pages है. So I have even talked to one person. But that's so cool. Thank you so much. Okay, another question. Do you wear specs regularly? अच्छा ठीक है. This one I'll tell you about. I have chashma, so I mostly wear glasses when I'm home and everything. But अभी क्या हुआ ना मेरे साथ ही, I'm wearing lenses. Not to shy about that at all. I'm wearing and I wear contacts. So I'm wearing them, and what happened with me is I'm so used to wearing my चश्मा. अभी मैंने ना उठा के अपना चश्मा लगा लिया था ऊपर, तो वो डबल हो गया था. I couldn't see anything. I was like laughing. Oh God, I felt so embarrassed. It was so stupid of me. Hi Avneet, we all love you a lot, and I'm a great fan of you. Love you so much, Avneet. Love you too. You look damn pretty. Thank you. Actually, I'm just pinning down a few questions, so I have to see. That's why I'm like touching the screen so much. Okay, another question. What is the secret of your beautiful hair? अच्छा, जो भी है मेरे को इतने पसंद नहीं है मेरे बाल, पर देखो सबको जो भी होता है किसी को ऐसे पसंद तो आता नहीं है जो खुद में है. Everybody wants to look like the other person, but like genuinely. So मैं मेरी मम्मा बहुत तेल लगाती है मेरे बालों में, तो आई थिंक तेल लगाना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू कीप योर हेयर क्लीन ऑल द टाइम. हाइजीन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बाल धोना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कंडीशन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ये सब थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें अगर आप शुरू करेंगे, सो यू विल सी अ डिफरेंस इन योर हेयर. आई एम लाइक बीइंग दिस ब्यूटी गुरु राइट नाउ यार. मेरे को क्या हो गया बेटा, ये करना है वो करना है, सब समझा रही हूँ अच्छे से. बीइंग दिस अम्मा राइट नाउ. हाय हरिश्वा. ओ शी सेंड्स ग्रीन हार्ट वाला इमोजी. दैट्स सो क्यूट. ग्रीन. Hi, nice. Your favorite cricketer? I have so many. MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli. कितने like all of them. And also shout out to the new people who have come. 12 million soon. Thank you so much. Please add Siddharth Nigam. Yeah, we were trying that day, but apparently नहीं हो पाया. But I hope that we go live very soon. और जब भी जाएंगे आपको बता के जाएंगे अच्छे से. Abu, I was not in good mood, but you made my. क्या हुआ? What happened? My happiness will. What happened? Isha, right? क्या हो गया? What happened? Tomorrow is my birthday. Please wish me. कितने बार बोल रहे हैं? Nibidita, hi dear, a very very happy birthday to you and God bless you. चलिए अब मैं, do you want me to add a few people? If you want me to add people then please tell me. तो मैं add करती हूँ थोड़े लोगों को. Okay, you have anything that you guys want to ask me? कुछ भी पूछना है, कुछ भी जानना है, anything you can just ask me right now. बहुत टाइम बाद लाइव आई हूँ तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अच्छे से आप लोगों को रिप्लाई कर लूँ फटाफट. शाहवेज, टुडे इज माई बर्थडे. अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मिस सिडनीत एज अलास्मीन. Sidneeth is Sidneeth, Alasmeen is Alasmeen, but Sidneeth is not going anywhere. So yeah, that's what I can say right now, just to give you a little hope. Please tell eyelashes secret. अरे बाप रे, people are like full on going into beauty zone right now. अच्छा ठीक है, eyelashes, I don't have like really good eyelashes or something. So I think for me as a person, like how I am, I really like to like put minimal amount of eyeliner, and I like to concentrate more on my mascara. So I think mascara मैं ज़्यादा करती हूँ, तो शायद आपको ये लग रहा है. But I think if you really want to grow your eyelashes, then castor oil is the key. Like you should put it on your eyelashes. Like I have done it for a certain period of time, but मैंने अभी stop कर दिया. You can try. Favorite actor, please एक ही नाम बताना. अच्छा ठीक है, अगर एक्टर जोन में जाना है, then I really like Farhan Akhtar. Like I really like that. So like how the way he acts, and Aamir Khan is really good. He's a good actor. Like not like star. He is a star, but I'm talking about actors here. And many more people. But yeah, these are like a few. And actresses, I really like. I've been talking about this since like years now. Kangana Ranaut has always been my favorite, and Alia, and many more. So yeah. Fabulous song, तू ही तो मेरा लक सोनी है. Thank you. Your favorite ice cream? I like two of them. Like I like two flavors. एक है mint chocolate and the other one is black currant. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is, I really like rajma chawal. So I like rajma chawal. Then I like pizza. I like cheese fries and all that. Do you like movies or cartoons? मुझे movies बहुत पसंद है, but एक टाइम था जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा cartoons देखती थी. एंड अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मूवीज़ देख रही हूँ आजकल. मैं बहुत किताबें पढ़ रही हूँ और मैं मूवीज़ देख रही हूँ. सो मूवीज़. Your favorite color, Di? My favorite color, okay. It has always been black. Like black is the first choice, I would say, and orange. Yeah, I like orange. I like blue. Suits me. Red, pink. अरे यार सभी कलर पसंद है मुझे. मतलब मेरे आप फीड भी देख लो. I wear all the colors. I like to experiment a lot with colors. Right now I'm wearing this shade of green which is very pretty. I think it's olive. So yeah. Congratulations for 90 million plus on तेरी नार. अरे हाँ यार मुझे पोस्ट करना है उसके बारे में. मैं भूल ही गई पर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. तेरी नार इज़ अ सॉन्ग विच इज़ रियली क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. एंड जैसे मुझे पता चला 90 मिलियन हुआ है, I was like oh yeah, I have to celebrate and all. So I will celebrate, and we are so close to reaching 100 million, so I'm waiting for that also. Your favorite singer? Arijit Singh. I really like Arijit Singh, Atif Aslam, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, और कौन? Jubin Natyal and yeah, like more of these. And do you like chocolate? मैं आजकल डार्क चॉकलेट खा रही हूँ थोड़ा. So yeah, I like chocolates. Abu, congratulations for 900k on YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you. मैं कल ही देखा ना. It was a shocker for me because I wasn't posting a lot on my YouTube. तो मुझे लगा यार अभी मेरे को पोस्ट करना चाहिए कंटेंट. तो आज ही मैंने फटाफट एक वीडियो बनाई और डाली. कल मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी और आज डाली. सो आई गेट बैक टू माई यूट्यूब. सो ओह ये क्या हो गया? सॉरी. I am actually adding somebody. Let's see if she or he joins me. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I love you.
Hi. क्या है आपका नाम?
Divyanshi.
Divyanshi. What do you say?
I love you. I am literally crying.
Oh, sweetheart, don't cry. I love you too. Thank you so much. आपने fan page बनाया है? That is so sweet, Divyanshi. Thank you so much.
Can I take a screenshot?
हाँ बाबा, obviously. Let's smile and take a smile. Did you get it? I think there's a poor connection where she is. She's such a sweetheart. Divyanshi, can you hear me? Arey yaar. So sorry. There's some connection problem with you, sweetie. Okay, let me try something. Oh God. I'm so sorry. Do you want me to add you again? Send me a comment and I'll add you, Abhi. Hey babe. Krupa! Baby, what up? You are my Jan. Oh, thank you. Please add me, Dee. Yes, let me just figure out. I need to add her back for a while. So. Hi, Jess. I'm big fan. Haha. Notanki, full on. Love you so much, Abu. Love you too. यार ये क्या हो गया है? I'm so sorry, उनको ऐड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ वापस. उनका कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया कनेक्शन में. Hi Grupa, I miss you too, बाबा. मिस यू बोलती रहे, मिलना मत मुझे. प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कोई नहीं, चलो I'll add somebody else, no problem. I think she got her screenshot. I hope that she got her screenshot. If you didn't, you can send me a request again. I can accept it here. Add Siddharth. Siddharth, I don't know. He's not here right now. I wish he was so I could add him. Hello.
Hi, Amni.
Hi. कैसे हो? Hello. Hello. यार सबकी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कनेक्शन में. I feel so sad right now. I'm not able to connect with anyone. Why you always live in night, not in the morning? अरे बाबा, I live in the morning also. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'm not like a vampire or something. I'm good. Like I live. It's just that I feel more of a, I'm more of a night person. I feel so. That is the reason why I come live रात को and do my things, like do my work stuff रात को. Okay, wait. Let me add her back.
I'm back.
Hi.
I'm very happy.
अरे I
Again.
am happy that I got connected to you यार. I was like अरे हो नहीं रहा है.
नेटवर्क चला गया से पता नहीं.
अच्छा.
अब आ रहा है सही.
अभी सही है.
हम्म.
आपका नाम दिव्यांशी है ना?
Yes.
You maybe
I will
say
miss you in Ladin.
अरे यार I don't know how to say this. I'll miss going to that showroom. बहुत मिस करूंगी मैं.
We will miss you. Screenshot.
Yeah, you can take a screenshot.
Thank you for taking me.
अरे God bless you and कितने टाइम से फैन पेज बनाया आपने?
6 months.
It's been 6 months. Wow.
Yes.
That is so cool.
And I'm posting for your birthday also.
You are? OMG. That's so exciting. Yeah.
Please see my page only once.
Sure. I will see. Your page's name is?
The_Sydney_love.
Okay, this I will remember nicely. So I'll
Thank
check
you.
out your posts.
Thank you.
God bless you, dear. Mwah, love you.
One more thing. After 8 years, I will meet you.
After 8 years, आप क्या करोगे?
I will meet you.
अच्छा, you will meet me after 8 years. 8
Yes.
साल क्यों?
लगेगा टाइम थोड़ा.
अच्छा, सीक्रेट नहीं बताना है. ठीक है, ओके. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अभी से टू मीट यू. चलो.
Thank you.
थैंक यू बाबा. सी यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Okay. Thank you.
बाय.
Bye.
She's such a sweetheart. She's telling me right now only 8 साल के बाद I'll meet you. So sweet that is. अरे अवनीत प्लीज रिप्लाई. मैं यहीं पर हूँ. आई एम विशाल चौधरी. कैसे हो आप विशाल? अच्छा, लेट मी टेक अ फ्यू नेम्स नाउ. Fleming X boy. What does that mean? I don't understand usernames. I'm so weird in that. Hi Karan. Hi Tahreem. Hi Tanya. Hi Bhavesh. Stop it with this, ma'am. Big fan, huh? Stop it now. Avneet Kaur Punjab. Abu, sorry, my phone switched off. Arey, that's what I thought. Something was happening, Ma'am, meet me, ma'am. Krupa, you too? Stop doing that. Slap you. बदतमीज. प्लीज मेरे साथ भी वीडियो कॉल करो. Sure. Keep smiling, cause you are one. A smile makes my day. Love you. Inspiration. Please say Hurena. Hi, कैसे हो आप? Hurena, if I'm saying it right. अवनीत कौर लाइफलाइन. यार कितने प्यारे हो आप अवनीत. आप भी बहुत प्यारे हो. हेलो आंटी जी, कैसे हो? हाय निरीशा. यार कितने प्यारे हो आप अवनीत. आप भी बहुत प्यारे हो. हेलो आंटी जी, कैसे हो? हाय निरीशा. What happened? I cannot see the comments. Hello everybody. Hi Krupa. Stop laughing.